welcome everybody to Caldera Creative Creations. My name is Roxana. I am so happy to be here today because we are starting on our Mother's Day wreath. So with that said, let's get started. We got our 24-inch wreath. We got our greenery going on, sorted greeneries. We also working with some lilies, a lily pot and some of these beautiful purples. We got some geraniums, we got roses, we got assorted greenery. We are also working with our ribbons. These are 10-inch. These little ribbons. We are just going to put them together like this and take a pipe cleaner, put it on and twist it. There it is. Okay, we got some beautiful white ribbon. And with that said, let's move this aside and get started. How is everybody doing today? I am happy to be here. I am. Let's go. Okay. We're starting on our Mother's Day wreath. Here we go. Okay, we're going to start with our loops, everybody. We are going to work on our loops. They're always like about 12 inches. We're going to take this like this. There. Turn it around. Flip it. Like that. Okay, let's measure to see how they're going. Voila. We're going to put it in right here. I already got this set up. Bam. Yes, indeed. Look at this. Okay, then we're going to make a little tail coming down. We're going to leave a little puffed up. And we're going to make one loop now, everybody. This is just going to be one loop, okay? One loop. Let's get this put in here. Okay, got that. Now, going down, we are going to make 2 loops. Okay, get it down a little. This ribbon is like a whole roll of ribbon. One. Then we're going to make another one. And there we go. Let's get these. I love working with this wired ribbon because the wires are just right there. Just attach it on and bam. Okay, look at that, everybody. How beautiful. Now we are going to get our greenery. Let's get this beauty all up in here. Here's going to be kind of dramatic because this is Mother's Wreath, and we are going to make it look so dramatic and so beautiful. Watch. Look at that. Work with your greenery. Work down here. There. Down here. Let's get some going up here. Look how easy it is. Use your imagination, visualize, and balance your items out, and you're coming out with a beautiful. Let's get this one down here. Out. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And I'm going to get this one. I think I am going to put this one up here. Right here. I hear my birdies outside. Ooh. Okay, there. We got one more going on right here. And that's it. Got that going. How's that, everybody? How's that? Now we are going to get our big beauties going on up here. Let's get this right here. Look at that. Wow. What the color just does when you put it in with this. Wow. There we go. Now let's get some of these. Got some of these lilies going on. Get one up here. That. Attach it. Wow, beautiful. Get this pod right in here with him. There we go. Get these. Get this guy. There. Put this wire on him so he don't fall off. You can also glue these on. There we go. How beautiful. Okay, let's get some of these whites going in here. Look at this beautiful geranium color. Bring out the. Let's put that in here. Look at that. How beautiful. Okay, and then we're going to get another geranium right over in here. a rose. Excuse me. Oh, I'm just on a roll, everybody. Let's get that smile on today. Get that smile on. There we go. Look at that. Okay, now we're going to get some of these beauties. Look at that. Wow. Work your way around your wreath. Let's get some over here. Oh, I gotta stop right there. Excuse me. We're gonna move to these beauties. Let's get these beauties on. Wow, I'm just, ooh. Okay, let's get these on here. Got those going on. Yeah, let's get these. Put it out. There, look at that. Beautiful. That going. That should be going over there. There. We're going to get another one. We got 3 of these, so let's work our way around these. Work our way around with the wreath with these. There's another one. This has a little stem. This one we're going to get right in here. Twist, and there it is. Wow. Okay, how's that looking, everybody? Fix that. Okay. Go on, start with our purples again. These all going up in here. So it's just looking so beautiful, huh? All the beautiful colors, textures. Now let's look at what's this. This greenery is just going to bring it out. What? Wow. Let's go along. Attach these all together. Look at that. Wow. It's beautiful. How's it looking, everybody? Thumbs up or leave a comment. There you go. And another one right in there. Hi. Look at that. See how beautiful. Put some of these greeneries in there. Put this, I think we're going to get one little lambsy on here. Going in here. Tuck it away. There we go. Look at that. Okay, everybody, I think we got it almost. There. Puff these up. Look at that, everybody. Got our handy dandy ribbon twister. Get this twisted up, and I think we got it, everybody. There we go. You just want me to pin it up here? Let's pin it up. Show what we did today, everybody. Wow, look at that, everybody. Woo! Let me fix my camera for you. You can really see it together. Look at that. How gorgeous is that, everybody? Wow. Beautiful, huh? Use your imagination. Visualize. And you'll come out with the beauty. Look at that. Once again, everybody, happy Mother's Day, Mama. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. And have a great day. Until the next video, we are working on our Mother's Day wreaths. And thank you for watching. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. And you will be helping my channel grow. You also will be notified on my upcoming videos. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you. That came out beautiful.